Hey everybody, this is Tony Blackman, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now I'm at a 2-bed, 1-bath property in Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. As you can see, it's a lot of repair that needs done here. It's gonna need a full rehab. Just waiting for my contracting crew to get here to give us an estimate to see how much it's gonna cost to get this property fixed all the way back up. The reason I wanted to drop in is because if you are a homeowner in Cuyahoga Falls or any area of Summit County or Stark County, Ohio, homes that are in this kind of condition that are vacant and abandoned, it's definitely going to affect your home value. So if you are a homeowner who would like to see an investor come in, renovate the property, sell it to a nice family to enjoy, to hopefully improve the overall home values in the neighborhood, definitely give us a call, 330-685-2220, or just visit the website, www.investparamount.com. We're looking to purchase a couple of more houses before the month of June is over with. So if you know any property that's abandoned or vacant or might be an eyesore that you think might affect your home value, we are looking to purchase property. We can pay cash, we can close quickly, we don't charge any real estate commissions. So again, it's 330-685-2220.